Hey guys, this is Shaquille Hansford and I want to show you my portfolio project, OnePush. As you can see, it's a live weblog or a web app, and it's a tool that allows users to write a blog post in a single interface and then publish it to multiple platforms such as Hashnode, Dev, Medium, or Ghost. So I will give you a demonstration of how the app works. I will first start with a blog title. Gotta have a blog title. Post for Mondo robot example, baby. We'll go then and we'll get our blog body because you gotta write your blog body, right? What's a blog without a body? Well, here goes my body of my blog, and I also want to feature this image. I want a header image. So as you can see, you can preview your header image. You have your title, blah blah blah. Then you go to preview it, right? It previews the blog post exactly the way it will look. In fact, it reads everything in Markdown. So as you can see, I've got this with the 2 hashtags, which makes it like a H2. I'm actually not interested in that being so big, but I do want this to be bold. And I guess that works. So I guess the app works. I knew it would work. I'm joking. But as you can see, it fully integrates everything, and it also works in mobile. It's also fully responsive, of course. You can do this, everything out, close things up, preview, everything looks good, everything looks fine. And of course, switch to mobile. Mobile, I think, looks very nice. So as you can see, everything looks good. So I have my connections here. I already have my API keys saved for Dev and Medium, so why not post there? Well, one more thing I want to add though. I'd like to add an image. So let's take image, boom. Let's take a look. Did it come out right? It did. Here's our other image. It's the same as our header image. But we have our connection, selected blogs, Dev and Medium, as you can see. You unselect it, Dev, it goes away. Give me Dev and Medium though. I want Dev and Medium. And we're just gonna push. Submitting posts, successfully posted to Medium, successfully posted to Dev, and here's a share link. Well, that looks like a real Medium post to me, and it looks exactly the way it was written in our editor. Then we have a share link for Dev, and that looks like a real dev.to post to me. So everything looks great. Now we'll jump into the code. And this is the index.js component. It exports a div app container. You see login button here. There is no login currently on the site. This is a version of the site that is sort of the working version. I have user auth working, but I haven't been able to completely fix it in the front end yet, so I haven't pushed it to live. So this is coming soon. Then you have the login modal, which of course is part of auth, which is not part of anything. But you do have the push button here, which is here. You then have the nav bar, these 3 items. You have the blog list, this here. The push modal, which if I disable my connections, I can show you without posting anything. Push, here's my modal. Please select the blogs you want to post. Obviously, we haven't connected any blogs. It's not going to post anything. So then we have the page. The page is whatever you see. So this is the connections page. This is the preview page. This is the right page. Then you have the support, which is down here. As you can see, it's a nicely working app, and I'll show you a bit of the back end. When you make a post, you make a fetch request to the API/write endpoint, which takes you through to the write handler, which then calls a method called blog handler.dispatch requests. You get into blog handler, and now it's just like it filters through all the information that was sent in the REST API, and it sends that stuff. It uses a lookup table to send it through a method to, each different one. Mine was write to dev because I wrote to dev.to. Then there's write to medium because I wrote to medium. But there's for Hashnode, for Ghost, because each of these websites have different implementations. Anyway, I believe this is a good demonstration of the app and its uses, and I thank you for your time.